in Maryland until 9:30 p.m. At 6:23 p.m., emergency management reported flash flooding in Dundalk. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected. Some locations that may experience flooding include Fells Point, Back River, Locust Point, Middle River, Baltimore Washington Airport, Severn, Rossville, White Marsh Essex, Police Quarters, Dundalk, Pomfrey, Brooklyn Park, Rosedale, Glen Burnie, Ferndale, Perry Hall, Southgate, Highlandtown, and Josephine Lee. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Do not attempt to cross swiftly flowing waters or waters of unknown depth by foot or by automobile. The National Weather